In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jsyes smartwatch. So right here, I have this manual for this particular smartwatch. And in order to connect it to others, what we can do is we can head over and then support it or use actual cables for this one. So here's a sample of what it should look like. Since it is a smartwatch, you can connect it through your actual Bluetooth. You can also install the companion app to unlock its full potentials. So its companion app is called JSYS M777 Ultra 3. Just scan the QR code provided in the watch packaging or on the watch screen. And you can also search for the actual JSYS in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install the application in order to connect it from there. Pair it on your phone's Bluetooth by adding its device and search for JSYES from the list. Confirm the pairing, and once it's paired, it will synchronize the data from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.